Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to access locked chats on WhatsApp. Firstly, launch the WhatsApp app on your phone or go to the WhatsApp page on your browser. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar. This is where you normally search for chats or contacts. Now type the secret code you created when you hid your locked chats. This could be a combination of letters, numbers, or emojis. The code must exactly match what you said earlier. Once you enter the correct code, WhatsApp will display a locked chats button below the search bar, and just tap or click it to open the hidden locked chats. You can now read, reply, or manage your locked chats, and if you want to unhide them, you can remove the secret code or unlock the chat through settings. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.